Are you looking for Mom? Where's Mom?
Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments.
Where are we going?
To a bowling alley.
For?
To have me a bowling ball made for me.
He feels left out because he's the only one between my parents and us who doesn't have his own bowling ball. So we're going to go get him his own setup.
They always leave me out. You don't clue me in on the fun.
We don't. So I got handed mine because my mom got like the wrong size weight ball or something, and so she had it for only 6 months.
Yeah.
Not very long. She didn't like it, and so she had me try bowling with it a couple times, and I liked it, so she gave it to me, and she got a new one. So now Chris is the only one who doesn't have a ball.
I guess that's the positive side of being the mini-me of your mom.
Yeah. So we're going into the cities to go get a custom bowling ball.
Yeah, and shoes.
And shoes, and lunch.
And lunch, of course. Gotta have food.
Always. Car. Cootery board.
I have a random day off of work, so.
That worked out nicely.
Training's done.
Not long ago, I had the chance to take a few lessons from Mike, a local pro bowler, when Chris got his new bowling ball. Mike was so gracious, patiently walking me through the basics and sharing some great tips along the way. It was a fun learning experience for me, but the real excitement came when it was Chris's turn. Mike really honed in on his technique, showing him how to throw a perfect curveball. From the stance to release, Mike broke down all the key steps and strategies that make the curveball so effective. After a few lessons, Chris is already throwing that curve like a seasoned pro, and it's amazing to see the progress he's made. Big thanks to Mike for all his expert guidance. We're both looking forward to continuing to improve our game.
Another morning of 9-axle moves. And she's very dirty because when you play in the dirt, you tend to collect dirt. And that's about what I did. I got new tires, 8 drives, 4 pushers. We're good to go. On today's version, we are moving a Cat 349, and it's about 119,000 pounds. One of the new gens with a giant paddle tooth bucket, so maybe closer to 120,000, who knows. Get this knocked out here quick. Track it over here, loader, and well, you can see Flint Hills Resources. But let's get this done. And that is a loaded 349. Now let's get the truck hooked up, huh? All right. It's on there. Now to get it chained down and aired up, booster set, all that good stuff. And we got her all chained down, tucked down under 14 feet because a big old paddle tooth bucket lets it go down low. And now we're gonna get the heck out of here.
As we near the end of our time here in Wisconsin, we can't help but reflect on all of the beautiful moments we've experienced. One of the highlights has been watching a loon family grow up right before our eyes. From the tiny babies riding on mom's back in the water to learning how to swim, dive, and even call on their own. It's been such a privilege to witness their journey. We'll also miss the water planes taking off from our back deck every day, something we'll surely never forget. It's been an incredible chapter, and we'll carry these memories as we move on. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.